the most sort of glaring example of medical malpractice by this group is that they approved all these vaccines. We went from 11, remember, to 69 to 92. 11 vaccines in 86, and not one of them had, except for COVID. COVID is the only one that had a pre-licensing safety trial that involved a placebo, a true placebo. And so all of those other vaccines were ushered in without safety studies. And that means nobody understands the risk profile of those products.
How can you do that?
They did it. It's corruption. And it's because of agency capture. It's because the companies that were making these products said, if you can get your vaccine on the schedule, it's typically about $1 billion a year for your company, because you now have a trap market.
With no downside. You've got an immunity
no downside.
shield.
First of all, the federal government oftentimes actually designs the vaccines. The NIH would design it. It would hand it over to the pharmaceutical company. The pharmaceutical company then runs it through ACIP. And runs it first through FDA, then through ACIP, and gets it recommended. If you can get that recommendation, you now got $1 billion in at least revenues by the end of the year. Every year, forever. So there was a gold rush to add new vaccines to the schedule, and ASIM never turned away a single vaccine. Every one that came to them, they recommended. And a lot of these vaccines are for diseases that are not even casually contagious.